What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today basically I'm shopping around for X99 build. So I got lucky, came in by Brooklyn Micro Center. By the way, if you guys don't know, I live in New York, so I do have like Micro Center in Queens, Brooklyn, Long Island, then New Jersey is not all that far from me, so I can pick up like parts from Jersey, like Micro Center and stuff. So I do have a bunch, like one in Yonkers too. So I have like 4 or 5 Micro Center. So basically what I'm doing, I'm planning on building a budget X99 build. So I got lucky today and I picked up a motherboard for $109 with tax and everything, right? It's an ASRock Extreme 4 motherboard, open box, and also I picked up some RAMs, and I paid what, like $35. Now the RAMs was brand new, and I have to check the brand. So also I picked up a AMD RX 480 XFX graphic card for like $199, and what else? And I'll use my Hyper T4 cooler for the build, and also I'll use the NZXT S340 case. Xeon E5 2650 V3 10 core, guys. Motherboard for $109, RAM for $35, and the SSD, I have an Intel SSD laying around. So basically by the time I'm done building this PC, I should be sitting somewhere around $650 to $700 a 10 core gaming PC or a workstation, whatever you guys want to call. So now just want to keep you guys on the loop, and I'm driving from Brooklyn right now, so catch you guys next one, and stay tuned for the build. And also I'll have a benchmark, gaming benchmark and all that. And so the motherboard color is blue. I'm not really a big fan of blue, but I'm just gonna stick with it for now because I got a crazy deal on the motherboard. That's like almost $200 motherboard, and I picked it up for like $109. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any question, leave in the comment below, and stay tuned for the build. And that should be it. Peace.